Hey there, in this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to fix the issue where you can't add a trusted friend on Roblox using the latest 2026 method. Make sure you follow the instructions till the end. To do this, you must go to settings. In order to go to settings, go to the left side of your screen and find more. Click on more and go to settings. Inside the settings page, go to account info. And in the account info, you must verify your age. If you are under 13, unfortunately you cannot add trusted friends. And also for those who are under 13, you could check on parental controls and there would be a parent, and inside the parental controls, the parent must approve the connection through their parental portal. And for those who are above 13, after you verify your age, you can now add your trusted friend on Roblox. And that's it. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.